Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unbagging from Nadine West, which is a monthly clothing subscription. There's always 2 bundles in there. I get a variety of clothing. Anything that doesn't fit or you don't like it, you just put it back in the bag and send it back. They do send a self-addressed little label in there, so it's really easy. So I did get a piece of jewelry, which I will take out first. Oh man, that's tangled. Let's see how bad it is. Normally they come like pretty okay when they're thrown in these little mesh baggies, but every once in a while you do run into one that's a little bit more tangled. Let me work on this and I'll be right back to try to show it to you. Okay, that wasn't too bad, but it's just a long chain with a circle, a little bar there. It is adjustable, so that's the first item. Then we have, this is thick, feels like it might be a dress. Very thick material. Love Ryan, Los Angeles. I don't think I've received anything from them. Yeah, that's cute. It's just a really long dress. I like that the material isn't real thin. So many times dresses are real thin, you can see right through them. That's cute. And then we have some jeggings. I get a lot of jeggings, but no complaints for me. Typically they are distressed, sometimes more than others. But I like this color, it's darker, and that's by Givenchy. And if I'm flipping to them, through them too quickly, I do post pictures at the end so you can kind of see, hopefully, a better view. Shiela Rose, some like loungewear exercise pants. They're tapered. And they do have pockets on the side, which I like. I like this pattern, that's pretty. This one is by YNA Couture. That's cute. Very cute. It's like a mint green plaid. Sleeves cuffed. Very nice. And the last item. Just a red shirt. Zenana, maybe, is how you say that. It's a V-neck, long sleeves, just solid red. Cute little Valentine's Day shirt. So that is what I got this month. I will go ahead and insert the pictures as well as the prices below so that you can kind of get an idea. And I have tons of unboxings from this company in case you're interested. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.